7 forgotten mini-empires that vanished without a trace.
Lexi 7.
Where's the whizzy way?
In the vast pages of human history, empires rise and fall like waves upon forgotten shores. But some left behind no trace, no kings remembered, no battles recorded, no ruins to mark their fall. Tonight, we uncover 7 mini-empires that time itself seems to have erased, hidden beneath dust, legend, and silence. The Lycians, the Confederation of the Dead, 1200 to 500 BCE. In the cliffs of southern Anatolia, the Lycians carved homes for the dead, grand tombs suspended between earth and sky. A people of sailors and traders, ruled not by kings, but a council of cities. Their language faded, their names erased. Only the tombs remain, silent in the rock. The Lemurians, the sunken empire of the Pacific, mythic prehistory. Long before Atlantis, some whisper of Lemuria, a vast island empire in the Pacific, said to have mastered crystal energy and vanished beneath the sea in a single night of fire and waves. Science calls it legend, but scattered across the Indian Ocean, strange megaliths and lost DNA markers hint at something more. 3. The Garamantes, masters of the Sahara, 500 BCE to 400 CE, Central Sahara, Libya. Deep in the Sahara once thrived the Garamantes, desert engineers who turned dry sands into gardens. Beneath their feet, hundreds of kilometers of hidden aqueducts carried water from forgotten springs. When the wells dried, their cities fell silent, buried by the desert they once defied. 4. The land of Punt, Egypt's mysterious trade empire, 2500 to 1000 BCE. The Egyptians called it Ta-Netjer, the land of the gods, a wealthy coastal kingdom where gold gleamed, incense burned, and ships crossed the Red Sea. Yet Punt's exact land is lost. Its kings, its cities, gone, leaving only carved memories on temple walls. 5. The Principality of Salm, the vanished nobles of the Rhine, 11th to 18th century, modern France-Germany border. Hidden in the wooded hills of the Rhine stood the tiny Principality of Salm, a noble family's realm that lasted 7 centuries before vanishing in revolution. When their castle fell, even their crest disappeared into smoke and stone. 6. The Shan States of ancient Burma, 13th to 18th century, modern Myanmar. High in the misty mountains of ancient Burma lay the Shan States, a patchwork of small kingdoms ruled by proud princes. Their teakwood palaces gleamed with gold leaf, reflecting the sunrise over emerald valleys. Monks in saffron robes moved through bamboo forests, their chants echoing through the hills. Farmers carved rice terraces that shimmered beneath the monsoon sky, while dancers in silk and silver performed for kings beneath candlelight. But behind the beauty came rivalry. Princes schemed, alliances shifted, and the jungle crept closer. When the great Burmese and British empires rose, the Shan realms faded into legend, their fortresses lost in mist, their bells still echoing through forgotten valleys. 7. The Nanyue Kingdom, China's southern shadow, 204 to 111 BCE, southern China and northern Vietnam. In the humid valleys of ancient southern China, a hidden kingdom thrived, Nanyue, the southern Yue. Founded by a Han general turned king, Zhao Tuo, it was a realm between worlds, Chinese in wisdom, yet native in spirit. From modern Guangzhou to northern Vietnam, its markets overflowed with silk, ivory, and jade, its people wearing feathered cloaks, gold earrings, and tattoos marking clan and pride. Stone tombs hid treasures beneath lush banyan groves, while bronze drums thundered in ritual to the mountain gods. But as the Han Empire marched south, Nanyue's shadow faded. Its capital was silenced, its king entombed with jade armor, a ghostly reminder of the southern kingdom that defied China's might. Some empires crumble with thunder, others dissolve like morning fog, yet each left a spark, a name, a story, a mystery, waiting to be found again. Perhaps history's greatest power is not in remembering, but in realizing how much we've already forgotten. Subscribe for more lost civilizations, and more. History forgets, but we remember.
Lexi 7. Thanks for watching.